Now then, which is the more scary? A ghost train or your school about page conversion rate? Let's conduct a deadly serious experiment to find out. Actually, that was pretty scary in there, and I'm sure that by comparison, your school about page conversion rate will be a walk in the park. So that was just a bit of fun there. And of course the truth might be that your conversion rate is absolutely fine or okay, but you want it to be somewhere else, and that's why you're watching this video. And I'm here to help. After reviewing hundreds of school about pages as a conversion and proof specialist, I've identified the #1 reason why they don't convert. And that reason is the offer. This problem manifests itself in 3 different ways. Let's take them one at a time. You may not believe this one, but problem #1 is that the about page actually has no offer. I know that sounds funny, but also not great. Seriously, a huge number of school about pages make no offer at all. Sure, they may describe intentions, they may describe who the group is for, but they never clearly answer the most important question on your visitors' minds, which is, what exactly am I being offered here? So if you already have a school about page, take a good long look at it and be honest with yourself. If a complete stranger landed on your page, would they know what they're getting and why they should care? Or is it mostly talk about your plans for the group and the kind of people you want inside? Now at this point, if you find yourself unsure what an offer is, keep watching. Problem #2, there is an offer, hooray! But it focuses too much on the process. And here's the big problem with that: people do not actually buy a process. They buy one of 2 things: escaping pain or moving towards a good result. Ideally, both. But most school offers lead with mechanics, weekly calls, modules, templates, frameworks. And that stuff does matter, but later. What actually moves someone to join your group is the outcome, the change they want on the other side. When you're selling someone a vacation, you don't sell them the flights, the vaccinations required to get there. You sell them the image of them relaxing, enjoying it, and feeling different once they're there. Your offer needs to work the same way, and the concept of feeling different leads us very nicely on to problem #3, which is that the offer does not promise a transformation. Let's put it like this: if nothing changes for your member while they're in the group, then you're not really making an offer. What you're doing instead is suggesting a hobby. Here's why. Whether people consciously realize this or not, they join a group because they want to become someone slightly different on the other side. More confident, more clear, more capable. And that is why a dry list of weekly calls, classroom items and other features is unlikely to move them to join. What really converts is you painting a picture of your ideal member's future self after they join. And that's something I'll go into in a future video, so do subscribe if you want that. Now, a quick recap. Make sure you actually have an offer. Make sure it focuses on the outcome, not the process. Make sure it offers a clear transformation. If you're still unsure about whether your about page does that well, I've got a free tool to help you out. It's called the School Conversion Checklist. You can run your entire school about page through it and get a score out of 12 in just a few minutes. You'll find it at school.com/convert. Feel free to get down in comments and tell me about your experiences on school so far and how you're doing with your about page.